Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. Want to make your text pop with hidden images? I'll show you how in Canva. Click Create, then select Videos. Use Landscape Video for this tutorial. Next, go to Elements, add a text box, and set the text color to Snow White. Change the text color to white, and add an element on this side. Select the element, rotate it to -90 degrees, then increase its width and height accordingly. Next, add the tangle shape element and place it here. Select the two elements and merge them together. Next, add letter spacing with different colors in this area. You can also move and reposition the elements, then drop them together again to finalize the arrangement. Change the color to black, click Share, then Download. Choose Save as PNG and select the transparent background option before saving the file. Set the size to maximum, then download. Save your work, delete the elements, and drag the image text as needed. In Elements, search for Snow Mountain and select the video background. Enlarge the video and position it to the side. Finally, set the video to center back to place it behind other content. Next, remove the background, then place this content behind the selected element. Click Edit and choose the G-Mover option to adjust the layering. Click back to restore the previous view. Then, select the elements you want to keep. Zoom out on the video to frame your selection. Finally, click Save As to export the image. Add a background clip, then play the video to preview it. This is our final result. Click Share, then Download. You can view the original video for comparison and see the quality before downloading the final version. Thank you. Now you know how to reveal images behind text with Canva text masking. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool tips.